Recently, we made a call out asking for participants for our Disposal Authorisation Hack workshops. Well, we had a huge response and we're happy to report that we successfully held these workshops and they are now done and dusted. Thank you to those of you that attended and for sharing your time and expertise with us. We had 204 people put their hands up to attend. We sent 280 emails organising invitations, had 132 attendees, 8 workshops, 62 sheets of butcher's paper, countless post-its, and a bundle of great ideas, comments, and feedback. During the workshops, we looked into what is not working with the way we currently do retention and disposal. The 5 key themes were that schedules are resource intensive, hard to implement, require specialists to use, not all agencies are covered, and it's often easier to not dispose of records. We also heard that an easier way to do retention and disposal might be to include simplified language, easier decision making, clearer disposal triggers, and something that suits digital ways of working. We introduced attendees to the high-level concept that QSA developed as an alternative approach, one that splits whole-of-government activities into domains and then values. We asked participants to break the concept and tell us potential problems. We heard that the new approach might be tricky to determine which domain to use, with activities falling into multiple areas. It could possibly become too big and complex, and implementation might be challenging. But we also heard that they liked that it would provide consistency across government, could be simpler and more streamlined, and less work for agencies. At the end of every workshop, we asked people to vote on what they thought of the new approach on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being, "It's fantastic, we love it." Out of 10, the new concept scored 7.8. We want this simplification project and the solution it comes up with to be built using human-centred design, so the solution should suit how you actually work, not how you have to work because of a schedule. The key things that we'll be keeping in mind as we move forward with this project is that the solution needs to be simple, not just look simple. There needs to be a balance between specificity and flexibility. It should be easier to implement. The project will need significant engagement, change management, and a transition plan. Our focus for the next few months will be to analyse the information we gathered and flesh out the concept explored in the first round of workshops into a refined prototype. To keep up to date with the project, you can follow us on any of our channels.